Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be showing you my lash range that's available on gigilashes.net. So stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into this.
One, two, three, four. Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like we do it. Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like we do it. Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like we do it. Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like we do it.
Hey. So we're showing off the 8 styles that are available on the website right now. The styles range from your everyday wear, very subtle looks, to vava boom. I'm here, my lashes are out there. I want you to see that before you even saw me, to be fair. So that being said, I'm going to go straight into it. Firstly, actually, my lashes are all named after flowers. I love flowers, and I thought it would just be fitting. And you know what? When I was thinking as to the product outlay for the site and for like aesthetic purposes, I just thought, you know what, this would actually be really pretty. And shout out to my cousin who came through with the picture. You know, they'll be inserted because I can't be the only one to be bestowing my eyes on this beauty. Okay, so that's that. The packaging is black and gold, so it says Gigi Lashes by Miss Asuni, and the name of the style you've got would be at the back, like so. So let's start off with Orchid. This is for my ladies who don't like drama, but you know, they want to show a little something. Here we go. So this is Orchid in all her beauty. She's cute. Right? She is. Yes. Let's say yes again. Yes. Okay, and then another one that's also, actually that's the one I'm wearing, Sunflower. Again, not too long, and it's very wispy at the ends of it, so it means that you don't have that full on. It's just flirty. It's cute. So this is Sunflower. Can you see it? Yes, you can. She's cute too. I'm gonna keep. They're all cute. They're my babies. So yes, I'm biased, but everyone that's worn them knows. They know the deal. And one of the really cool things about these Mink lashes are the fact that they last a very long time. All you need to do is to take care of them properly. Wear them, remove them, store them back in the case. If you want to remove the glue, literally some cotton board, a little bit of eye makeup remover to get off the glue, put it back on the tray, pop, and you're good to go. Definitely over 20 wears you can get from each lash once you buy them. Worth the money. Yes. And then up next, my sister Lily. Yes, Lily's saying a lot. I like her. She's fun, she's cute, but she's not too much. You understand? Lily has a sister that looks like her, but Lily's sister kind of like whispers out on the end, and it's kind of like bigger on the end. Lily's more rounded, you know? And she's called Carny. Yes. Like carnation? Yeah, that's where the Carny came from. Moving on. We got Daisy in the building. Daisy is saying, hello. I am not small, I am mighty. Better recognize. I really like Daisy when I really want to make a statement and I want to be like, And actually, one of my bestsellers has been Lizzie. I left the bestsellers for the last, actually. Lizzie is kind of like, Oh, oh. And Lizzie comes from the flower Lysianthus, if I've said that right. But yeah, it's almost like I am gappy, but I'm there. I am here. I'm, it's giving me joy. Anastasia, literally, what can I say about this one? Just look. She gives you all the vibes. Anastasia can be done like day look, night look, every look. I'm here. One of my friends, literally, when I run out of Anastasia, she gives me the evils. Once it comes back in stock, she gets like multiple, so she doesn't run out again. And last but not least, this is the beast of all beasts. We got Rose. If you want your lashes to say, girl, bye, girl, hi, girl, what? These are the lashes for you. Rose. Yeah. Yeah. And that's it, period. So head over to my website and go get yourself your lashes and join the Mrs. Asuni gang, looking fly, looking, you know. Hey, 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 hey. Please, what's wrong with me? I'm so excited to be showing my product, and I'm so excited that the website is back live and everyone can go and get this. So get yours. And you know what? Because I'm a nice person, I like to think, I will be doing a giveaway on my Instagram page. So go and follow me on Instagram, Miss Asuni, MISSASUNI, and get a chance to win 2 of the styles of the lashes to add to your lash collection. Have a good day, guys.